Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your ALDI Talk account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your ALDI Talk account, open up a web browser of your choice. You can do this with your mobile web browser as well as your desktop web browser. Once you open up your web browser, go to the URL box at the top and type in www.aldtalk.de and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in the official site, go to the upper right hand and click on the My ALDI Talk button. In order to log into your account, you'll need to go ahead and enter your telephone number along with your ALDI Talk password. Go to the first text box where it says telephone number and type in your telephone number in the text box. Now, in the next field, type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on the eye icon at the right corner. In case you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password link beneath the Announce button. And finally click on the Announce button in order to log into your account. ALDI Talk is a mobile virtual network operator in Germany, Australia, Netherlands, Switzerland, Austria, and Slovenia. Once you click on the Announce button, you'll be logged into your account. That is how you can easily log into your ALDI Talk account on your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.